Hello, dear students, and welcome to today's lesson. In our previous lesson, we talked about past and after and learned how to use them. Today, we are going to talk about half, quarter, o'clock, AM, and PM. Let's first talk about half, what it means, and when we can use it to tell the time in English. Dear friends, the letter L in this word is silent. That means we don't pronounce it. Half means 30 minutes, dear students. Or in other words, we can say half an hour. For example, what time is it? It is 8:30. This means 30 minutes have passed after 8. You see, my friends, half here means 30 minutes. Another example, what time is it? It is 10:30. This means 30 minutes are left until 11 o'clock. Very good. Now let's move on to the next word, which is quarter. This word means 50 minutes, dear students. For example, what time is it? It is 10:15. This means 50 minutes have passed after 10. So quarter here means 50 minutes. Next is word o'clock. This word is used when we wanna to mention the exact hour, meaning not a minute has passed or is left. We use o'clock for that. For example, what time is it? It is 1 o'clock. That means it is exactly 1. Next, dear students, next page, AM and PM. AM refers to the time before noon and PM refers to time after noon. For example, what time is it? It is 10 o'clock AM. Dear students, this means it is exactly 10 in the morning. Another example, what time is it? It is 9 o'clock p.m. My friends, this means it is exactly 9 o'clock in the evening. Very good. I hope you understood it, my friends. Please try to repeat this lesson one more time so you can understand it better. Now, let's move on to the exercise. Filling the blanks. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. Ali, what time is it now? Sarah, it is 9:30. Ali, so that means 30 minutes after 9. Sarah, exactly. Ali, what about quarter past? Sarah, that is 15 minutes after the hour. Ali, and quarter to? Sarah, that is 15 minutes before the next hour. Ali, I see. What time is your class? Sarah, it is at 10 o'clock a.m. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Have, 30 minutes. Example, it is 7:30. Quarter, 15 minutes. Example, it is 4:45. O'clock, exact hour. Example, it is 6 o'clock. Past, after the hour. Example, it is 20 past 2. 2 minutes before the hour. Example, it is 10 to 3. 6 a.m. before noon. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. p.m. afternoon. Example, the class is at 4 p.m. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1 hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.